We're going to do a lab today, and this goes way, way back. This is one of my first labs I ever did when I was a young teacher. I invented it. Back in 1986, I had the kids build buildings out of spaghetti and sugar cubes and different materials to see how they would survive in an earthquake. So that's kind of the plan today. So as you guys know, that some buildings do really, really well in earthquakes. Things like skyscrapers, for example, do really well. Wood frame houses do really well. And then things like brick buildings, adobe, things like that, they don't do so well. I wonder why that is. So how this will work is I'm going to give you different types of materials. I'm going to give you some spaghetti, and I'm going to give you some sugar cubes, and I'll give you a piece of paper. And then your job is to construct a building that you think will survive an earthquake. Now the earthquake's going to be produced by this vibrating standard of science, okay? And we'll shake them and quake them. The buildings have to be at least 10 centimeters tall, okay? So you have to use the ruler and use the metric side, of course. Remember, English is evil. And then you'll build your buildings, and then we'll shake them. So I just happened to produce a couple of them right now. Here's one. This one's built out of sugar cubes. And we'll fasten this on, and then we're going to shake it. See how it does. And then you guys will then take, and you can also build them out of spaghetti. And we'll fasten these guys and shake them and quake them and see what happens. And then if you would like to do a combination, maybe of spaghetti and sugar cubes, you could do that too. All right? And see if you can see if there's certain shapes and certain building materials that do better than others. Good luck. All right, here we go. Sample 1. Back to the drawing board.